and welcome to Gadgets on a Budget. I'm Kanye. It's a pleasure to have you here. I went to Mr. Price and I got a lot of lights. A lot. I told you, a lot. But before I get to that, at the time of recording this video, I was on 100 subscribers. All thanks to you. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. I feel like just words saying thank you is like understatement, but I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not, please help me grow on YouTube by pressing the subscribe button, liking the video and sharing the video. And we get on the lights that I got from Mr. Price. The first light that I got from Mr. Price is a string lights. Okay, there's two string lights. There's a string light here and a string light over here. And then I've got string lights over here. I've got about 3 string lights and I'll show you how they all work. And then I've got the neon novelty light. I've got this guy over here, and then this one has a twist. This one is a selfie light with a fan. Okay, check it out. Okay, we're gonna get into the details and the nitty-gritty of how they work just now. Here are my lights. I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, I'll take it out for you to see. Okay, so here it is. It's a string light, as they said. It's a string light. Okay, and here's the battery pocket. Okay, I'm just gonna hold in the batteries. Okay, on the battery port here, there is an on and off button here. That is not like too obvious. Not too sure if you can see, but there's an on and off button here that you probably wouldn't be able to see. Okay, I'm gonna switch them on. Ah! Sorry. Okay, here it is. When I switched it on, oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. Look at it. I don't know, must I try it without the lights? This is how it would be in the house. Say you just want like a very chilled light in your household. This would be the amount of light you would have. Now moving on to the next one, we take these beautiful pineapple lights and put them to the side. Okay, and then we take the other pair of string lights, or the other string lights, I don't know. Okay, here they are. They are written, these are hearts. Are they love? Yeah, these are hearts written love on all of them. It's not like extremely long, it's about a meter or 2. Okay, I'm gonna put in some batteries, 2 AA batteries on it, and then I'm gonna power it up. Switched it off. Oh, I wanted to show you the heart with the love. Check it out. It's like a lot of hearts. A lot of hearts. Okay, I'm gonna power it up now. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Here they are. Let me see if you can tell that they are hearts. Here they are. Oh, you can tell that they are beautiful little hearts, man. Okay, here they are. You would hang them like this, maybe, you know, in a certain area in your house or whatever. They're so beautiful. We're gonna put the hearts to the side alongside the pineapples. And then we've got another set of string lights. We have got here, these are like, they look like normal bulbs. Okay. Here they are. Here they are. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put in the batteries, 2 AA batteries. See? And then we're gonna power them up. They're not too bright, but they get the job done. Okay, they get the job done. I'm gonna look at them in the dark. So here they are. Or you can just hang them like this. This is actually a great idea. Instead of a normal chandelier, you just hang these. On the boxes here, I noticed that they say hang them in a desired place and enjoy the warm glow in your home. So it doesn't matter where you put them, because I was thinking Christmas tree around, so, and it's not Christmas, but you can sort of like create a certain mood in your household. And just so you know, I'm gonna put the prices and the link for these on the description box down below. Okay, now we'll move to the light up your night neon novelty lights. Okay, here it is. This one is a little different because you can also use a USB on it. You can plug it on your phone. Oops. You can plug it on your normal phone charging port like this one. You can charge it over, you can plug it over here to power it up if you don't have batteries. But I like and enjoy the fact that they use batteries. So I'm not going to use the USB port, but just so you know that it is an option. So here is the base for it. Okay. And there's two, and there's these two strings here that you're gonna attach this part to. Okay, the string lights needed 2 AAA batteries. This one needs 3 AAA batteries, so I've got them here. And then I've got this one. Okay, and then we close it, and then I'm gonna attach them. Let me see if it's off. Yes, it's off. Okay, I'm gonna attach it together. It has a pin here to show you how it's supposed to go. There we go. You sort of have to push it so that the base and the actual light are actually the same thing. It's nice and smooth here. Okay, and this is how you would switch it on. At the bottom here there's an on and off button. Okay, and here it is. I'm gonna show you in a dim lit room. Ah, oh my god, look at it. Okay, so here it is in a dark room. Do you see the nice glow that it brings? Oh my god, look at it. You know, you can use it as a side lamp as well, because look at how it looks on my side, on my bedside. It has like this nice little glow. The room is not too bright, it's just okay. And then now I'm gonna move to the fan selfie light stick thing here. I'm gonna move over to this one. Okay, going right ahead and opening it. Okay, it has a manual, it has a USB cable, and here is the actual fan, right, and lights over here. Okay, it is a fan. The fan has 3 levels. Okay, like it can fan just okay, it can fan sort of like medium, and it can fan like a lot. Okay, and then so exactly where the fan is, there is a round circle here. That is where the light is. It also has 3 levels. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use this one with a phone. Okay, there is a clip here. You would open the clip and clip your phone. Make sure that the actual clip doesn't cover the camera, and then you go ahead and you take your pictures and you do your fan just like this, or you can also take selfies like this. I'm gonna show you how the selfies are with my cell phone. So it does say bye bye bad selfies, so this is how you would do it. And you can control the fan, like I've just switched off the fan, and you can, these are the 3 levels of the fan: level 1, level 2, level 3, and then there's a selfie light, there's a selfie ring light on here. So I'm just gonna switch the light off, and then you're gonna see. This is obviously assuming that you won't be in a super dark room or house or wherever you'll be, so this will just focus on you. And then if you've got like a weave on or like hair and stuff like that, you can actually have this fan give you that effect, you know, that effect of the hair, blowing the hair and stuff, and then you can do, you know, those things. I just don't use weaves, so best I can do. Okay, this is without the light again, this is without the selfie ring lights. Okay, This is the first level of the selfie ring light. This is the second level of the selfie ring light, and this is the third level of the selfie ring light. It's not too bad. It's not too bad because in this room there is a room light, but without the light, without this selfie light, the picture is like this, so it doesn't look too appealing. This is adding some vibe onto the picture, onto the selfie. Okay, so don't forget to watch my other videos from Mr. Price. They have a lot of things. They have speakers, they have headphones, they have lights, they have bathroom lights, they have shower lights, they have everything. So if you are interested in those, you can check my other videos out. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video. If you like the video, I will see you in the next one.